All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to talk about how I need to start hitting base hits and not home runs due to the market conditions of having pretty much just low strength and low momentum. It's tough to hit home run, when you're not on, when the market's not on, when it's not a fastball down the middle or a hanging curveball. So now we're going to have to hit base hits and try to get on base and then go from there. And then until we start seeing those fastballs down the middle, those hanging curveballs, and then we can swing for the fences. But as you can see, I haven't been posting much videos because I haven't been trading, to be honest with you. Since, January 23rd, I haven't traded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days I haven't traded. And one of these days, I traded, but it wasn't much. I lost $3 due to the commissions, and then, so I didn't do much. I was in and out quickly. So 9 days I haven't traded, and I've only had I only had 2 green days since January 23rd. So, and this is why, because I took a little second to adjust to the market, which is not a good thing, but you learn every day. So. What you got to do is when I swing for these fences up here, I earn the $400, the $200 winners, $120, $150, $100 winners. But I can't do that now. I have to go for $50, $60, $70, $40 winners, and just be fine with that, because right now it's going to be hard to get those $200 winners for very, very obvious reasons. I'm going to show you on these charts what's not working out for me. So we're going to go over my trade last week, which was the only trade I took last week, and I did lose $35 on it, but it's for I felt confident in it. It is what it is. Sometimes you just don't make money on the trade, even if you do follow your strategy. You just got to make sure you cut your losses quickly. And what happened was we'll go to it. Was NXTD? Okay, so NXTD. What date was that? Hold on a second. So last Wednesday, we'll see if we can come back. This is the 6th, 5th, 6th, 7th. All right, so this is what happened. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I had good news. So this NXTD had good news. And you can see this thing push up over here towards, this is called power hour, from like 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock Eastern time, power hour. So I'll push up there in that, and it, stayed at that level. It pulled back a little bit, and then it started popping back up. And when it started popping back up, it was on my high day momentum scanner, and then we also had it on my watch list in the morning. And it had good news. So we're watching it over this pre-market break, 227. I bought at the pre-market break, 228, and what happened was, as you can see on this 5-minute, it only hit 232. That's only 5 cents a share. I was looking for 250. That home run hit, like I said, those home run hits, and it just I didn't really push through. And it's weird because, like I said, it was a good news. It's up pre-market, and it broke that pre-market high and just didn't really do much. So unfortunately, I just sold I sold a little bit under. I probably sold at 220, probably 225 or something. Yeah, 220. Probably sold break even, or maybe even a cent or two above. Either way, I only lost like $30, but that's including commissions, $10 for commissions, and it didn't work out. So it's whatever, in this type of market, these are happening a lot. I can show you another example for today. DARE, I think it was. Yeah. Well, honestly, there was opportunity to make money in this trade, but I didn't get my entry I wanted to. I can show you. I'm pretty sure I tried to trade it here. Yeah, DARE. These yellow it means I didn't fill. I didn't get the price I wanted. I tried again at 330, even 341. 330, I would got in. Yeah, 330, I would have got in right here. We'll go to the 1 minute chart, probably see it better here. Yeah, it pulled back, and then what I did was as soon as it started coming back up, I wanted to get in, and it just didn't. I didn't fill it quick enough, or I didn't click it quick enough, and it didn't fill. Ends up going to 259, but this was kind of a quick move. But again, like this pre-market chart right here looks great. You know, it's pushing up, pulls back this little bull flag right here. I wish this move right here happened at the open because this is what I like to see, and when I trade. And it pulls back all the way down to 308, and then boom, I could have bought like 310, and then sold 360. That's 50 cents profit. I mean, if I sold at the very high day, but it's usually unlikely. Say I just sold at 350, 40 cents profit. It's a good percentage move also, and that's what you like to see. But it didn't happen. It happened right before the market opened, and I still could have made money. I just was a little too slow on it. But as you can see, though, this thing shot up a little bit and then just died. Nothing. It's literally done nothing since. So try to push back up, and it just couldn't. And it's staying below this VWAP all day. It's not what you like to see. The trade I actually did make today, I made $40. Again, I gotta hit base hits now. These are I'm in the we're in the stage of the market where you gotta hit base hits to make some money, make little money at a time every day. And then once the market momentum starts coming back, that's when you start swinging for the fences, getting those $200 winners. But until then, we can't do that right now. So you got to adjust. Professional baseball players will tell you the same thing. Got to adjust. Less strikeouts, more base hits. I mean, it'll result in less home runs, but you'll know when you're hot and when you're not. So we saw this one pre-market, okay? Let's see what I traded it. I bought it at 210. Yeah, 210. And I sold it at 220. So about a minute, not even a minute later, I sold it. And I'm going to tell you my thought process here on what I did. So I bought it at 210. This thing was pulling back, and I was watching on my little other charts over here on my right screen. I was watching it, and I saw it burst right here through this little $2. Okay, so I was like, all right, I'll buy it at 210, and then my profit or my target will be pre-market highs 333 or 232. Ended up it hit 220, and what it was doing, it was stalling there. And when it was stalling there, even though there was buying, I was like, all right, this is not going to go anywhere really. I'm selling. Yeah, I sold my position at 220, 10 cents profit, and then it ended up going to 223. But I'm not worried about that. Whatever. And like I said, as soon as that happened, boom, it falls, as you guys can see. So I got out at a good time. It falls, and then it's just consolidating now, not doing much. And this happens all the time. It's actually trying to make a move right now. Maybe you can break this 223 right here. It might be able to push that pre-market high, and then and so on. But I doubt it. It's low volume day during that time of day where the volume's low and it's hard to get momentum in this time of day. So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about today. I just gotta go strictly for base hits right now until that we see that strength back in the small cap market. And that's totally fine. I took a little bit longer to adjust on that. A couple of days I've had some opportunities. It's just my confidence not really there because that strength's not there. So, and my confidence was trying to get that home run. So now my confidence is my focus is on trying to get base hits, and I'll see more opportunities now. So it's not a horrible thing. It happens. This is like a cycle in the market. There'll be home run months, and then there would be base hit months that those home run months where the strength's really strong, you gotta take advantage. So it holds you over for these base hit type of months. And I just like that analogy because it makes a lot of sense to me. I like sports, so it makes a lot of sense to me, and it relates really well. Yeah, I traded that. What else was on my watch list? There was something that ran up pretty well. Hold on, let me go to my momentum scanner. I missed my opportunity on this one. Oh, ADMA, I think it was. Yeah, I think it was ADMA. We'll check this out in a second, right here. ADMA. Yeah, this one did run a little bit. As you can see, it hit that almost $5 and just fell because, just a pump and dump pretty much. And these pump and dumps, what you want to do is you don't want to be the first one in, you don't want to be the last one out. You just want to catch a good chunk of this trade. And yeah, I didn't try to take a trade on this. I didn't actually physically try to take a trade on it, but I was watching really closely, and I was really interested in it. But I just never took a trade. So that's about all for today. Like I said, just $40. Just base hits for now, and then we'll gradually get back into our groove and then start hitting home runs. And now my goal is just to build my cash account this year. So I have more capital to trade when I am a more experienced trader. So then we can start living that life we've always wanted to live, Trade a couple hours of the day and then enjoy the rest of our day. Not have a boss to talk to ask to go to vacations and stuff like that. So the journey to becoming a professional trader is very well on its way. Hopefully we can hit it by this year. What do you consider a professional trader, though? I think it's just being hitting your metric or your numbers well, like a 65% trader at a certain profit loss ratio. So first month I gained 20% trading, and hopefully this month I can gain 20. It's been a slow month, so far we're already 2 weeks in. We'll see. Today, Monday, it's a good way to start off. Maybe we'll start picking up this week. You never know. I think what was happening was the market really came down, the Dow and stuff, the past past week or so. But it's bouncing back now, up 400 points. I think Friday was up 300 points or something like that. So it's coming back. Hopefully we can hold these levels and not really fall too hard. Bitcoin did the same thing. These past couple of days right here. So it was at 9,500, dropped all the way down to $6,000. That's absolutely wild. Dropped all the way down to $6,000, but it did bounce, as you guys can see. It bounced up, so now it's holding these levels. Same with the Dow. So hopefully this market will stay as is, and we can start seeing strength come in. But that's all for today. Tomorrow, pre-market analysis in the stock market 2018 group. Come tune in, join the group. Learn a little bit, and I'll be doing our watch list tomorrow morning, every morning that I trade, and then hopefully make a good trade tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. I'm out here to give out free knowledge, free education, try to grow with others that are also intermediate traders to become professional traders. There's a lot of professional traders that do this, but some people want to see the point of view of an intermediate trader, getting to that level of professional, not already from a professional. It's just different. It's a different point of view, and I like it. So keeps me focused and keeps me busy. So thank you guys for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. Have a good day, and don't stress out too much. Peace.